Hello again, my name is Jeremy Sayre of Homeowners, Sayre and Vivanco. This week I want to discuss with you 6 very important things to look for when searching for the homeowner's insurance policy that's right for you and for your needs. The reason why it's in your best interest to carry homeowner's insurance and why your mortgage company will likely require it. The best way to do that is to make sure that if a claim or a disaster happens, the insured can file a claim and the property can be restored to its pre-loss condition. However, when searching for the right homeowner's policy for you, make sure you ask tons of questions and review the policy to make sure that it suits your particular needs and it's tailored for your interests. Now, there's nothing wrong with doing your due diligence and your research and window shopping, so to speak, and finding the best homeowner's insurance for you. One way to do that is to contact an insurance agent or an insurance broker and have them review different policies that are out there. Luckily, Florida offers a myriad of insurance companies with which to choose homeowners insurance from, so you will not be short of options. Now, of course, we understand that one of the most prevalent issues that you're most likely to be concerned with is cost. Most of the time, people think, well, I'm not going to file a claim anyway. I just want to have the cheapest policy that I can pretty much get for my home, so I'm not out of pocket that much. However, I would advise to take a cautious approach in that thinking because cheaper, as I stated, is not always better. Which brings me to my next topic. Living in Florida especially, you need to keep a close eye out for certain coverages that you want to have within your policy. For instance, hurricane damage, water damage, and wind or storm damage. So just be on the lookout for any type of reductions to cost to the policy itself, because oftentimes that comes at the expense of something else. Coverages, maybe additional exclusions. For instance, sometimes an insurance company may offer you certain discounts, so to speak, in an effort to bring down your premium. This likely comes at the expense of the total amount of coverage that your policy will provide for you, which may actually end up costing you more money than had you just spent a little bit more money each month on your homeowner's insurance premium. Typically, insurance carriers put these policy limits or cap limits on a variety of different things within your policy. For instance, a common limit or cap is placed on emergency mitigation services. Now that may pertain to water mitigation, fire mitigation, mold mitigation, or what have you. Why that's so important to you is if you have a $3,000 policy cap for emergency mitigation services in the event of a water loss, and they need to perform services that are in excess of $5,000, you may be on the hook for that additional $2,000 to pay the EMS company because the insurance company is going to wipe their hands because of that policy limit that was already in place and that you agreed to. Now, if you have any questions or you're confused or unclear about certain exclusions or what may be included in your policy and want to have a better understanding so that you're more prepared when a claim does arise, I would suggest asking questions to your insurance agent or your insurance broker, which brings us to the next topic of making sure or getting clarification on what protection or what coverages you do have within your policy. It's not just enough to make sure you know what's excluded under your policy, it's best to know what coverages you actually have. For example, whether accidental water loss is covered or excluded under your policy, if wind-driven rain is covered or not. Which brings me to my last and final point of knowing the difference between actual cash value and replacement cost value. In most cases, Florida homeowners insurance policies provide that a claim is to be paid out pursuant to the actual cash value. Now, what is actual cash value and what does it mean? Actual cash value is measured by the cost to replace the damaged property minus depreciation. Now, what this means is that you're entitled to the replacement cost of the damaged property, but not the diminution in value. In contrast, a policy that provides replacement cost value may provide you with greater coverage. The reason for this is that under replacement cost value, depreciation is excluded, so you're likely entitled to a higher payout. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to our channel. We will be posting answers to legal questions every week, so if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to give us a call at Homeowners, Sayre and Vivanco, where we are happy to provide a free legal consultation. Thank you.